discuss about type of surveying and classification of surveying. Type of surveying: primary division of surveying, geodetic survey. Second, plane surveying, geodetic survey or trigonometrical surveying, when the radius of curvature of earth is taken into account. Large area and large distance are covered. Objective of geodetic survey is to determine precise position on the surface of earth. Refined instruments and methods are used, conducted by government agencies. Plane surveying, when radius of curvature of the earth is not taken into account, small area and small distance are covered. Degree of accuracy is comparatively low. Classification of surveying based upon nature of field: land surveying, marine surveying, and astronomical surveying. Based upon object of surveying: geological surveying, mine surveying, or military surveying. Based upon method employed: triangulation and traversing. Based upon instrument use: surveying by total station, chain surveying, theodolite survey. Compass survey, plane tabling, photographical and aerial surveying. Land surveying can be further divided into two parts: topographical surveying and cadastral survey. Topographical survey determine natural features of a country such as hills, valley, lakes, woods, etc., and also aerial features such as roads, buildings, canals, towns, etc. Cadastral surveying details such boundaries of house, towns, fields, and other properties. Pathway are determined. City surveying and engineering surveying. Site plans. A site plan is landscape architectural plan and a detailed engineering drawing of proposed improvement to a given lot. A site plan usually shows a building footprint, travels, parking, drainage facility, sanitary sewer lines, water lines, trails, lighting, and landscaping and gardening elements. Site plan building blocks. A site plan is a top view and can show elevations and floor plans, plan instructions, property lines, outline of existing and proposed building and structures, distance between buildings, distance between building and property lines, means setbacks, parking lots, driveways, surrounding streets, landscape areas, easements, ground site, location, utilities, plan and maps. The main object of the surveying is to develop a plan or map. These results of a surveying when drawn on a proper paper from a plan or a map. A plan graphical representation the features on or near the earth surface as projected on a horizontal plan. Plan are a set of a two-dimensional diagram or drawing used to describe a plan or an object or to communicate buildings or fabrication. Instruction usually plan are drawn or printed on a paper and is drawn on a large scale. A map is generally drawn or relatively small. A plan is diagrammatically represents of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc., and indicates the uneven nature of the ground. There is no exact difference between plan and map, but the general difference is of scale. If the scale is small, the representation is called map, while it is called plan. If the scale is large, for general purpose, we can say the representation of a state of country is done by map, whereas representation of localities or a building is done by a plan. A plan and map are generally used as synonyms. Thank you.